Guys, it's John from John's DIY Playground.
Today I want to review the Stratco raised garden bed. These are available in slate gray or beige. This is the beige, and the dimensions are 46 by 34 by a foot tall, and it holds 11 cubic feet of soil. Now, just think of it as about 4 foot by 3 foot. I don't know why they got the weird dimensions, but I had gotten these after having this square foot garden that I built, and you can see over time it just starts to rot away. You see some pressure treated lumber that I painted. It did last several years, but it's fallen apart, so I bought these. I actually bought 3 of them, and I do like the construction of them. The time to assemble is about an hour, I would say, though, to put them together, because they go together with these screws and these wing nuts that you can see. And there's 4 and 4, so 8 per corner, so you've got 32 screws to put together. It takes a little bit of time, but they're pretty nice looking. I think they're gonna last longer, a lot longer than my wood ones were. And gonna grow some vegetables in here, keep them spaced out far enough from each other so I can get walking around them and be able to tend to the weeds or whatever we need to do. And yeah, I'd highly recommend it. Check out the links in the Amazon, to Amazon and below the video, and the links are helping out my my channel, so I appreciate you clicking through them and placing an order. So this is John from John's DIY Playground. Have a great day.